Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. So, it's the holidays, Thanksgiving's coming, my favorite time of year where it's always about yummy, yummy food that you love to eat, that you want to serve, but we want to do it here at Alley in the Valley. What do I do? Make it simple. So I came up with these Parmesan Brussels sprouts. So they're Parmesan coated Brussels sprouts that are really tasty. You make them as appetizers, you put them out, people can eat them. They dip them in a Caesar salad dressing. They're super tasty. Let me show you how I get down. They're a great alternative for a quick appetizer. And that's what I'm here to show you. Great appetizers, great quick recipes. So basically, my Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna cut my Brussels sprouts up in half. And so I'm making a whole bunch right now. I buy these at Trader Joe's, but we do have to cut them in half and clean them off a little bit. So let me do that. So I'm just gonna cut these in half. Really simple, easy to do. And once I have all these cut in half, I'm gonna coat them. I'm gonna coat them in flour with egg, Parmesan, and it's gonna give them like a bread coating. And then I'm gonna put them in the oven and let them cook. That's all I'm gonna do. Season them a little bit and they'll come out, and then you can dip them in the Caesar dressing. Super easy, super tasty, and a great appetizer for the holidays. So basically I clean the Brussels sprouts and I cut them in half. And then I have like a half a cup of flour. I have 2 eggs beaten, because you're gonna drench them. And then I have Paco, like breadcrumbs. With the Paco breadcrumbs, I'm gonna add a cup of Parmesan cheese, so they're nice and cheesy. Okay, let's mix that up. Yes, I'm using my hands. It's Thanksgiving, you gotta put your hands in it, you gotta put your toe in it to make it great, okay? We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, garlic powder for seasoning, a little bit of cayenne, because if it's not spicy, then it don't need to be on Alley in the Valley, because you know me and my spices. I gotta kick it up. Okay, not too much cayenne, because people come over and go, oh, it's too hot. You know, they're with my family, they can't. My son can hang with me, but everybody else, they be crying the blues. All right, I'm gonna mix it up, and we're gonna just, everything's gonna become a mixture, okay? We're gonna drench the Brussels sprouts in the flour first. So I'm just gonna take a few Brussels sprouts, okay? Okay, so we're gonna put flour. Then after the flour, we're gonna put egg. I don't know if you can see this really well. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in the Parmesan cheese Paco crust, all right? And then we're just gonna dump them on here. So I'm gonna do a few of those, and then they go into the oven for like 45 minutes. And there's your quick little appetizer that everybody can eat on while you're getting the rest of Thanksgiving dinner ready to go. My Parmesan crusted Brussels sprouts are ready to go in the oven. They're gonna go in for 40-45 minutes. And then these are gonna be some really cute, just yummy appetizers that we're gonna dip in Caesar salad dressing. All right, I still got more to make, but here's the first batch. And they're going in the oven on 400. Bam! Yummy appetizers for Thanksgiving. Super easy, super yummy. Let's get it going. Thanksgiving, I get to eat everything. I'm so excited. My Parmesan Brussels sprouts are done. Look how crispy and how good they look. Okay, they're a little hot. I'm gonna try to bite into them just for the show, but I'm excited. Oh, they look good. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. Now, I have some Caesar salad dressing. I didn't make my own just because I'm in a rush. Oh my God, these are really good. Okay, let me dip. Bam. These are the bomb. Oh my God. Parmesan crusted Brussels sprouts. You know where to get the recipe, AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Every week, a new video. These are perfect for Thanksgiving. Parmesan Brussels sprouts, the bomb. Thanksgiving appetizer, I got one more coming, all right? So like I said, for Thanksgiving, I'm making great, easy appetizers that you can put out, because let me just tell you, when my family comes, they want to eat right away. Like, if I don't have food waiting for them, they're all pissed. It's like, I'm cooking a turkey, I'm making stuffing, I got the yams, but you better have stuff ready for them. So these are called Easy Cranberry Brie Bites. Now, normally I make my own cranberry sauce, but I'm being lazy today. So I bought some cranberry sauce, and I got the puff pastry little shells that you can buy in the store. You can also use pizza dough or pie dough if you want to. And then I put yummy Brie cheese and some rosemary, and baby, these go in the oven in 10 minutes. You got you a great appetizer. Let me show you how I do it. So first, of course, we're gonna spray the pan. And this is a small cupcake pan that I used to use for tiny cupcakes when my kids were little. They ain't little no more. They would eat 10 of these, but okay. So we're gonna spray the pan. And then I'm gonna open up the shells and start putting the shells in here and start building from there. All right, so now we have all those in there, just like that. Look how cute that is. Then I'm gonna cut up the Brie. I love Brie cheese. I don't know about you, but I love cheese, period. I have a weakness for cheese. And I'm just gonna start filling these up. And then I'm gonna put cranberry on top and then rosemary on top of that. And it's as simple as that. So my cranberry, Brie cranberry bites are ready to go. These appetizers, look how easy, how cute, how yummy.
Get me one of those.
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Oh.
Rosemary.
Yeah, baby.
Super easy, super yummy. They're going in the oven for like 10 minutes. That's it. And I'm gonna pull the Brussels sprouts out. All right, so I think my cranberry Brie bites are finished. Another appetizer that's perfect for Thanksgiving dinner. Let's see. It only takes 10 or 15 minutes for the cheese to melt down, the cranberry to start bubbling, the rosemary to have the flavor, and you got an appetizer. So let's get them. Ooh, they look so cute. I'm excited. All right, there they go. Nice and hot. All right. Now, if you want, you can put a little honey on top of it. It's up to you. But, bam! They're a little hot. I'm not burning my mouth anymore. I've already burnt my mouth enough for you guys. You just gotta wait a second. I'll eat one in a minute. You know where you can get the recipe? AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Allie in the Valley for weekly recipes. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. It is time to grub and have fun with your family. I hope these recipes help you so you don't have to go wandering for a whole bunch of different things to do. Simple and easy. That's what I do here at Allie in the Valley. Make things easy, but always taste yummy.